What's up, guys? This is Tim at New Craft Workshop. Got another savings video. This is the time of year where it's time to really stock up out in your shop. I do a ton of Amazon videos, but this week I've got a couple new things coming for you. I've got a Rockler video today. A bunch of stuff is on Black Friday sale already at Rockler. And I'm going to show you like 15 things that I found. All of them except for one is Rockler's house brand. And for those of you who have watched my channel before, you know that I do a ton of these Amazon videos, and I always get the occasional comment, why are you comparing it to Rockler and Woodcraft prices? It's going to be cheaper. Of course it is. That's the whole purpose of these savings videos. But today, Rockler's got some super awesome stuff on special. Everything except for one item is Rockler's house brand. The one that's not is Bessey. I don't push a lot of Bessey, but wait till you see the price on this clamp set if you're a Bessey fan. So let's get right into this. Now, this first item that we're going to look at is going to be the Dust Right Power Tool Hose Kit. Now, I've got this exact kit out in my shop. And what's great about this thing is, number one, the hose is extremely flexible. Number two, it comes with all of these little adapters that you actually connect to the tool itself. You use these little blue ratcheting clamps to hold it in tight. It creates an extremely secure connection, super airtight, which means a lot of suction getting all that dust out of there. And right now this thing is on sale. I've never seen it this cheap. 50% off, 25 bucks. Now, if you need extra connectors for extra tools, those are also available. But this kit comes with 5. That's going to get you started. You're going to love this thing. I can tell you that right now. So the next thing we're going to talk about, Rockler's router table box joint jig. Now, if you don't have the ability or the knowledge to make your own box joint jig, this is the way to go. Right now, this thing is $30 off, and 30% off, which, I mean, technically we're talking about 100 bucks, so it's $30 off. And this thing comes with 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch bits for your router, which is going to allow you to do 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch box joints. This is the way to get into this. Everything's ready to go right out of the box. You just line it up, calibrate it, start making your box joints. It's going to elevate your projects tremendously. All right, next item, dust hose. Now, I push a lot of dust hose on Amazon on you guys, but right now, Rockler's 4-inch bottom of the line base model dust hose, which is what I use out in my shop, 27% off. You can pick up a 10-foot piece right now for $39.99. That's getting real close to what we're going to find over at Amazon for some of their stuff. So if you're in the market for some hose, 10 feet, 4-inch diameter, 40 bucks, 30% off normal price. Well, 27 if you want to get real picky about it. All right, here's the Bessey clamp kit. 4 of the Revolution K-body clamps. These are, excuse me, not KP. KP blocks comes with it. You're going to get 2 24-inch and 2 40-inch. This is a great kit if you need some parallel clamps. $60 off, 175 bucks. And my other camera's beeping. Sorry about that. I'll try to edit that out. I probably won't be able to. But $175 for 4 Bessey clamps, parallel clamps. That's a really good price. $60 off. These are in stock and ready to ship. Next item, bench cookies. I just pushed these on you about 2 weeks ago in my Amazon video, and they were like $11.99 or $10.99. They were cheaper than they normally are over at Rockler, but check this out. This is their new model, the Bench Cookie Plus, $8.99. They're literally 50% off. This is a great product. If you don't have bench cookies, you are going to love them. Pick these up before they are off sale. Next item is going to be their Bandy clamps. These have a ton of uses. They were designed originally to hold on anything you're putting on, like your edge banding or anything like that. If you're doing laminate or anything, this is going to be great for that. But they have a ton of uses. The photo there shows it holding on an extension cord. Tons of uses on these Bandy clamps. And right now, their medium are 50% off. Their small are 57% off. Great clamps, great price, won't be around long. Sunday, like actually, I failed to mention that at the beginning of the video. Everything that I'm showing you today, it's gone Sunday. Pricing is through Sunday only. All right, next let's talk about this router bit storage insert set. 10 of these pieces, going to hold 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch shank bits. You basically just prep your material, drop these inserts in, gives you some nice secure storage for your bits. You don't have to worry about them coming out accidentally when you pull on them. Normally $8, 38% off. I have this 10-pack out in my shop holding my bits in my router table right now. These are awesome. All right, next, glue application kit. I'm going to show you a couple things with glue application. All of their glue stuff is 20% off right now through Sunday. $11.99 gets you this 3-piece set. The comb is great for when you're doing large glue ups, panels, anything that's going to require you spreading a ton of glue. Comes with their silicone brush and the thing. Great price at $12. It's a great price already at $15 with Rockler, but this thing is on sale for $12. And then we're going to head over here and look at this micro glue brush set. Now, I personally don't use this, but I know you guys, some of y'all make some extremely small, intricate stuff. These micro glue brushes are extremely handy when you're doing that. Again, 20% off. And then this glue keeper. This is basically just a place to hold your glue while you're walking around your shop and gluing up your projects. It's made from silicone, so the glue's not going to stick if you accidentally leave the silicone lid off and the glue dries out. This is a good product right here, $8.79. Drawer slide jig. This thing right now, this was kind of the original. There's been some imitators now that are popping up all over the place, but this is the original, the Rockler drawer slide jig. Normally $40, 50% off. If you're doing any kind of drawer slides, cabinetry, or anything, this is a great product, and it's on sale for a massive savings right now. Spring clamps. We know we can't have enough clamps out in our shop. Their spring clamps right now, you can get this 6-pack of their small spring clamps. 36% off, $7 gets you 6 clamps. That's like $1.15 or 16 cents a clamp. Awesome price for Rockler clamps. T Square, Rockler's version of the 24-inch T Square, $39.99. It is 30% off. This is a good product at a great price. And their T-Track clamps, these are also really good. I tried buying the Milescraft, and I'm going to be honest, I did not like them. I sent them back. I am going to order some of these. I'll let you know next time I use them out in my shop what I think. But 33% off, $30, Rockler quality. T-Track users, this is the way to go. These things are awesome. They will fit in anything that uses T-Track, holding your materials secure while you're doing your routing, sanding, whatever. Last item, Undersized plywood router bit set, 21% off. If you're cutting dados for plywood, you know that a 3/4 bit is too big for 3/4 plywood. 1/2-inch bit is too big for 1/2-inch plywood. Rockler makes this undersized set specifically designed for the exact thickness of 3/4 and 1/2-inch plywood. Awesome set of bits to have around your shop if you're building anything that requires dados. 21% off. That's it. All right, that is it for this video. Rockler Savings Black Friday. It is right around the corner, but this stuff is already on sale and good through Sunday. Links will be down in the description below. Each and every time you click on those links, you're helping support what we do here at New Craft Workshop, and we could not be more thankful for each and every one of you guys who do this on a regular basis with our Amazon videos. So, catch you guys in a few days. Friday is right around the corner, and I've got a massive Amazon savings video coming for you guys. So hopefully you will join me Friday. Until then, I'll catch you guys on YouTube.